everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Marie of Historical Belle, that's me, and today I have some historical goodies to unbox and unwrap and to show you because I am so excited about these. So last summer-ish, I think, it was a while ago, I won a giveaway from @𝔓𝔬𝔞𝔯𝔞𝔰𝔞𝔫𝔢. I have linked their account below so that you can go and see all of the amazing creations from @𝔓𝔬𝔞𝔯𝔞𝔰𝔞𝔫𝔢, and I actually won a giveaway. I literally was that day thinking, I don't know why I keep entering giveaways, I never win, and then lo and behold, that day I get a message that I have won the @𝔓𝔬𝔞𝔯𝔞𝔰𝔞𝔫𝔢 giveaway, and I was so excited because she literally said to send her a picture of a historical fan and that she would recreate it for me. Like what? That's amazing. So we're about to go see, I sent her a picture of a fan that I really liked from the mid-18th century, so it was around 1760, I believe, and it was from the collection at the Victoria and Albert Museum in England. So we are going to see, I've seen pictures of it, but I have not like held it in my hands. The package just got here because she is not from the same continent as I am. So it was so exciting to get a package from like overseas. So okay, I'm going to open it. I might be able to do this without scissors. Maybe. I'm also really bad at opening. Oh, if I pull the tab that says open, that might help. Yep, that would be it. That would do it. Okay. I'm not the best at opening packages. Okay, we haven't even gotten to the fan yet, and there's already this beautiful print in here too. Oh my gosh. How lovely. It's amazing. It's so pretty. Wow, I'm so impressed already. Okay, and we haven't even gotten to the fan. Okay, there's a note. There's a note. How beautiful. All right. Okay, so you can find her on Etsy at Victoria and Georgiana. So they have 18th and 19th century accessories. And I was actually just looking at the Etsy shop right before this video, and right now there are some absolutely beautiful bonnets on their Etsy shop, which I will also link below. And she doesn't know I'm doing like any of this. This is like, yay, thanks for randomly picking me. Yeah, it's not an exchange for anything. I just wanted to do this. So yeah, no, some beautiful bonnets, 1840s, 1860s bonnets, 1880s bonnets, which were amazing. Like literally, I'm like kind of eyeing some to get. We'll see. Yes. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, and then she just said from Kira to Marie, 2021. It is 2021. How beautiful. Oh, this is just so gorgeous already. Look at that with the flowers and the wrap. Oh, how does one? I don't want. It's so beautiful. I don't want to undo it. I have to be so careful. Whee! Okay. Oh, it smells nice. It's like perfumed. Oh, that's so lovely. I'm gonna go take a picture of this before I unwrap it further. So it's so pretty. Okay, I took a picture of it because it's just too pretty, and I was like, I do that with like all pretty packages. I'm like, I must take a picture of it before I open it. It's just so pretty. Save all the nice little pretty flowers. It smells so good. The pretty ribbon. Whee, ribbon. Want to be very careful. Okay, but also it's tissue paper, so. They haven't even opened the fan yet. Have not even opened the fan yet, and it's already amazing. Look at this detail on the side of this fan. She asked me what kind of detail I wanted, and of course I said purple and gold because those are some of my favorite color combinations. Oh, I'm even scared to open it, but I know it's going to be amazing. It's just so precious already. All right, let's go. I'm sure it's fine. I'm just nervous about it. Also been stuck in an envelope for a while. All right. All right, there we go. I don't even know what that side looks like. Right now I'm looking at this beautiful side, which, I don't know, to me it looks like an F, which means meat, but oh wow. She hand painted all this. Look at that. How amazing is that? It's so pretty. Let's just take a moment of silence to appreciate this. Yeah, so this is the exact design that I sent her. Literally exact design, and I love there's a nice pastoral scene here, 18th century pastoral scene, and then she actually made mention, it's and then there's just kind of some random giant fruit to the side, which I think is fun, and a nice big peacock and a dog, which is just kind of an interesting situation going on. But yes, there's a lady and a gentleman, and then another lady. And then I just absolutely adore as well the floral on the sides here. It's just so pretty, and I love the gold. It's metallic, and it just looks so rich, and it catches the light. I don't know if y'all can see how it's catching the light, but it most certainly is. And then I don't know if y'all have seen the backside yet, but it's just also so pretty. I love just the flowers, and it looks like there's some little cherubims on either side peeking out, and it's just so lovely. It's just so lovely. I'm just going to be transported into my own historical romance drama. I'm just going to go about like this all the time. I also really wanted to do that Princess Diaries scene where she's just, having my own little Princess Diaries moment. It's just so pretty. And it smells good too. It's just so pretty. I just want to frame it and put it on my wall, but I also really want to use it for historical costuming things. Maybe I'll do both. I can do both, right? Have it both ways. I don't, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. I keep looking and I keep seeing more details. It's just amazing. So I got another historical goodie for Christmas from my lovely parents, and I wanted to show it to you. It is from In the Long Run's designs on Etsy, and here is the beautiful business card and a pin. They send you a pin with your purchase. It's so cute. But I got this really pretty amethyst necklace. Amethyst is one of my absolutely favorite stones. So here it is. It's a Georgian design, and it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. I had been eyeing it for a really long time, and then it went on sale, and I told my parents, I was like, look, it's this beautiful thing and it's on sale. Do you think we can make it a Christmas gift? And lo and behold, it was under the tree on Christmas morning, and it's so pretty. So we have some beautiful historical accessories, and now I think it's time to go try them on.